in this question, it is given that the sum of the numbers in any 3 consecutive boxes is 13. And we need to find the value of g. The value of g is missing here. We need to find that. And these are the boxes. So if we choose any 3 boxes, the sum will be 13. So to solve this, I chose these 3 boxes, right? So what will be the sum of a plus 5 plus c? It will be 13. Yes. Similarly, I chose one more group. This time I chose 5, c and d. So what will be the sum of 5 plus c plus d? The sum of both these groups will be 13. Yes, it is given that if you choose any 3 consecutive boxes, the sum will remain 13. So whether you choose this first group or whether you choose this second group, the sum will be 13. If you look at this equation, I can cancel out 5 and I can cancel out c. So what I will get from this, I will get a is equals to d. What I got, a is equals to d. Similarly, I will choose 2 groups. These 2 groups I will choose from the end. First group will be h, 6 and j. These are 3 consecutive numbers. The second group will be g, h and 6. These are also consecutive numbers. That means both the groups will have sum as 13. So how I will write it? I will write it as g plus h plus 6 is equals to h plus 6 plus j. The sum will be 13 for both of them. Now, as we did above, we can cancel out h and we can cancel out 6 from both the sides. From this, we got g is equals to j. Yes, g is equals to j. Now let's see how it looks in the question, whether it forms a pattern or not. Let's mark these numbers. So a is equals to d. Okay, a is equals to d and g is equals to j. So I got a pattern. The pattern is that after a gap of 2 boxes, the numbers are equal. The numbers are equal. Now, if we, the way we took groups here, yes, two groups each. If we make 2 groups from the middle numbers, we will get d and g also same because there is a gap of 2 boxes. So that will give us d is equals to g. You can try it on your own. If you make 2 groups in the middle, D, E, F and E, F, G, you will find that D will turn out to be equal to G. So there is this pattern. From this pattern, I can write A is equals to D is equals to G is equals to J. The same pattern will be followed throughout these boxes. What does that mean? Let's see. That means if I choose 5 and I take a gap of 2 boxes, 5 will be equal to E. Now again I take a gap of 2 boxes, E will be equals to H. Yes, that means 5 will be equals to E is equals to H. There's no need to create equations like these again and again. Yes, once you found out the pattern, that pattern will be followed throughout the question. Yes, so we got this from the pattern itself. Now let's see how we can solve the question further. I will choose the last 3 numbers. Yes, h plus 6 plus j. Now what is the sum of 3 consecutive numbers? It is 13. This is equals to 13. So h is equals to 5. Yes, h is equals to 5. And that means what will be j? J will turn out to be 2. J will turn out to be 2. Correct. Now look here. J is equals to G. J is equals to G. That means G will also turn out to be 2. So this is our final answer. The value of G is